Hello everybody and welcome to Car Confections. Now this is the BMW 5 Series, which is a very iconic model for the BMW brand, and this is the latest generation of the 5 Series, which focuses a lot on technology and also a lot on lighting. Owning a luxury vehicle is about more than just the daytime experience, and in today's video we're going to be going into the nighttime experience and all the different lighting elements that you can expect to find on this executive level sedan. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, we'll first start off this night review by talking about what happens as you approach the vehicle. There's not any super cool approach animations on the 5 Series. However, when you unlock the car, it will go ahead and start to illuminate some of the really cool lighting that we'll really dive into when we talk about the full exterior. But as you can see, the grille is illuminated. You have your daytime running lights, as well as the rear lighting has went ahead and illuminated as well. Now, when it comes to the door handles, they do have lighting underneath because these are the new style door handles for the BMW brand. And take a look inside at the cabin. Look at all those ambient lights that are, kind of turning on and also changing color, which we'll talk a little bit more about as well. But first, let's go ahead and hop inside and start it up. So starting out here with the exterior walk around, as you can see, it has a very signature design to it at nighttime, that is for sure. So with this new 5 Series, we have a little bit of a blockier look to it overall, and that starts out up here with our grille area. As you can see, one of the cool things about this 5 Series when it comes to lighting is the fact that we have the entire grille illuminated. Now that is an option that we do have included on this higher end example, but I think it really spices up the design and makes it look very BMW like at nighttime. Now let's talk about our headlights, because our headlights are of course very important with a luxury sedan. You want them to be really good, and indeed they are. These headlights are absolutely fantastic. They're projector LEDs. They also have cornering ability, and you also have the daytime running light as well as LED turn signal indicator. Really fantastic headlights, and we'll go ahead and insert a clip in of us driving on a country road at nighttime to show you the performance, but I absolutely give these an A+ in terms of their performance. Some of the best headlights that you can get in any vehicle. If you want to see what the turn signal looks like, that is over here on this headlight. We do have the fading turn signal animation, which does look really good at nighttime as well. Now moving along, we have 21-inch alloy wheels for this M Sport with the professional package and the optional wheels. And let's talk about the mirrors and their technologies. We have power folding, heating, blind spot monitoring, and pertinent to a night review, we also have auto dimming, but it's just here on the driver's side. I wish it was on both sides of the mirrors, but overall, I'm happy that they are including some auto dimming. In terms of the overall vehicle length, it's 199 inches, which is a very good size for a sedan. And, speaking of all those individual details, we do actually have a daytime review that goes through all of the individual things you might be looking for when it comes to this 5 Series. So if you want to check that out, go on over to that video, because this video is going to be exclusively looking at the lighting. Now, as we head around to the rear design, as you can see, we have a very signature and classy look here in the back. I have to say, I really like the way it looks, and at nighttime, it looks super premium. So as far as the taillights themselves, these are going to be full LED. They have a very intricate design to them overall. Every single element is LED. That includes your brake light, your turn signal, and your reverse light. Over here on this unit, you'll see the turn signal indicator. It does kind of light up the rest of the taillight itself, and then your reverse light is down in the bumper area. Now, the license plate lighting is also LED, so you have full LED lighting across the entire rear of this vehicle. And as far as the overall trunk area, as a new father, I have to say, I do frequently load things in and out at nighttime, so I appreciate the fact that we have a really good LED light right up here in this area that fully illuminates the 17 cubic feet of cargo space that you have here in the 5 Series. But I'm sure you're very curious about the interior lighting, so let's go ahead and dive into that. But first, if you're new here, we're brothers, and we've been reviewing cars since we were 12
and 16. We started young, and since then we've reviewed over 2,000 cars at every price point.
No matter what you're looking for, from our long-term vehicle videos to our side-by-side comparisons, we'd love for you to subscribe to be a part of our Car Confections family.
Let's learn a lot and have some fun with all the latest cars.
Now walking up to the 5 Series, I'm going to go ahead and unlock it. And I want you to pay special attention to the light bars here because this is BMW's new interaction light bar. And as you can see, it illuminates some really cool colors and it will actually switch colors. So it's white when you first approach the vehicle and open up the door, and then it will go ahead and switch to your desired ambient lighting color. I think it's really cool that it switches color. It really adds for some theatrics when you get into the vehicle. Also cool is the fact that you have puddle lamps as well when you get in the vehicle, which I'll put a picture on the screen right now for. Now when it comes to the seats themselves, we have the Venganza leatherette, super comfortable seat, and it is finished in a brown color. Let me go ahead and hop inside, shut up the door. As you can see, all of your lighting is already illuminated. You also have the dome lights right here as well. And let's go ahead and start it up. You may have seen it earlier, but the headlights will do a little bit of a dance when you start the vehicle up. And now we're going to transition into a first-person POV to take a look at individual details. As you can see out the windshield right now, this is your low beam headlight. Of course, you have auto high beams, and they do work really, really well. They also have a nice fading ability. I'll go ahead and flip those high beams on so you can see what those look like. Super, super bright headlights, as I mentioned earlier. And as you saw demonstrated with the Country Road Drive, really fantastic headlights. We also have a head-up display, super vivid at nighttime. And then coming back to the gauge cluster, as you can see, we have a digital one. There's also a lot of cool designs that you can pick from, customization. Whatever your heart desires, you can pretty much do in the gauge cluster. And right now we have it on the augmented reality camera that will actually display things on the road. And I have to say, this camera is super high resolution and it even looks good at nighttime, which is pretty impressive. Coming back to the steering wheel, we have a nice leather wrapped one. All of our buttons are illuminated in a white color, so it looks nice and classy. Over here, we have some digital buttons for your headlight controls, and then we also have some buttons for your memory seats, as well as your window switches, all of which are illuminated really nicely. Now, I was mentioning this earlier, but the 5 Series now has BMW's interaction light bar. So that's what they call the ambient lighting strip going through here. It's a little bit thicker than your typical ambient lighting strip, and it actually goes all the way across the dashboard, through the entire interior and over here onto the other side. Now, it's called the interaction light bar because it actually does different things. So, if you put your hazards on, for instance, it will change colors and do all types of really fancy tricks. So I have to say, when it comes to ambient lighting, this interaction light bar looks fantastic. It looks super impressive, and everyone we had in this car this week thought it was really nice. Now, in terms of other ambient lighting, you do have lighting in your door grabs. You also have it in your door pockets, which are huge when it comes to storage, and I'm happy that they're illuminated. And then you additionally have footwell lighting, as well as lighting here on your wireless phone charger. As you can see, it's illuminated down, and then you even have lighting in your cup holders as well. Now, you may be wondering, can you customize the lighting? Well, of course you can customize the lighting to really anything your heart desires. One of the coolest things that I've noticed is the fact that when you change your drive modes, that will actually change the ambient lighting colors. So if I put it into sport mode, for instance, let me go ahead and activate that. Take a look at the light bar. It will turn to red, and it's actually going to gradually swipe the blue across, so you have red and blue ambient lighting throughout the cabin, which are the BMW M colors. And then, of course, you also have plenty of other modes as well, including the expressive mode, which has kind of like a yellow, blue, and green combination. And one of the cool things I'm noticing is actually it has movement inside as well to really kind of relax you inside of this cabin. I have to say that's really, really advanced, and I have to say I really like that. As far as, ambient lighting is concerned, that's pretty much as advanced as it gets. You can even go into a relax mode, and then that's going to turn everything white, as well as adjust things like your gauge cluster. Now, let's take a look at the center console. Open that up. Inside of here, there's actually no lighting in the center console. I'm a little surprised by that. And then when it comes to this area, you have your signature glass controls. Really pretty controls, although it is finished in the piano black. As far as the shifter, just pull back for drive, go up for reverse. When you go into reverse, of course, you are going to have a 360-degree camera. Just like the camera in the front, resolution is absolutely fantastic. You also have the ability to do a 3D spin. And once more, the resolution does not look grainy even here at nighttime, which is a pretty impressive feat, I must say so myself. Now, as far as other illumination, your volume knob has a nice illumination inside of it, as well as your iDrive controller. I already mentioned the wireless phone charger and all of that. Your vent controls are, a little bit more complicated than they need to be, that's for sure, but they do look very classy and elegant and very simplistic. As far as the screen itself, it's 14.9 inches. The resolution on both of the screens, the gauge cluster and this main infotainment screen, are absolutely fantastic. Looks super crisp. You also have wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, built-in navigation, and then you have your climate controls, which are integrated down below. You also have heated seats, heated steering wheel. You can also, furthermore, add seat ventilation. Up at the top, we have an auto-dimming interior mirror, which is good for nighttime to keep you from being blinded. If you look over at the sun visor, we have a LED light for that, and it's just across the top, so it's a really nice LED light for those of you that might get ready in the car or something like that. If we pop open the glove box inside of here, you'll also find LED lighting as well as felt lining. So overall, the front of this cabin is very premium when it comes to the lighting. And I do want to, go ahead and slide back the sunshade to the moonroof. This is called the Sky Lounge moonroof, and I wish it had the the little lights in it. Some of the BMW products actually put lights in the moonroof itself. The 5 Series is not going to have that as an option. This is just the regular Sky Lounge roof, so it's just a piece of glass. Now, checking out the rear seats, we do have illumination in the back door handles as well. Let's go ahead and see what the lighting's like back here in the rear areas. Of course, you do have dome lighting up there at the top, so loading things in at nighttime is pretty easy. Like I said, I do that pretty frequently, and it was no problem whatsoever in the 5 Series. Shutting up the door, as you can see, we do have the ambient lighting that goes through your door grab as well as your door pocket, so that means that you have some pretty good lighting. I'll give you your full interior view. The interaction bar perhaps looks even more impressive here from the rear seat. And then as far as other lighting, we do have our vents right here. USBs are lighted. Heated back seats are also going to have that same illumination. And then as you can see, you have footwell lighting as well. And then you even have a little light strip that matches your ambient lighting color here in the seat back, and that's for your other USB port. However, I will point out that one thing that you are missing is the interaction light bar itself. You see it up there in the front door trim. You have the interaction light bar. It's actually not here in the rear. So I wish they had at least included the interaction bar all the way across all 4 of the doors, but overall, you do still get some ambient lighting. You have rear window sunshades as well as a rear sunshade as well. So overall, when it comes to ambient lighting, I have to say, the light bar is really, really cool. So when it comes to ambient lighting, this 5 Series is definitely one of the class leaders. It does have some stiff competition from Mercedes and Audi and those types of brands, but the interaction light bar certainly impresses, so I would go ahead and give it an A rating. And guys, that's going to be all for this night review of the 2027 BMW 5 Series. If you enjoyed watching this night review, we'd really appreciate you subscribing down below and becoming a part of our Car Confections family. We have a lot of fun on this channel, and we promise you won't want to miss out. Also, if you're looking to buy a BMW 5 Series or any vehicle, we'd encourage you to also go to carconfections.com/newcarquotes. The reason you should do that is because we have a tool on our website that'll connect you with local car dealers in your area to get you the best price. It's also going to give you access to invoice pricing information, which is a great tool to use if you plan on doing dealership negotiation. If you'd like to take advantage of that, as well as things like our monthly payment calculator, you can find a link to that once more in our video description, as well as a pinned comment at the top of this video. And guys, that's all for this night review. We'd of course like to also encourage you to check out part 1, where we talk about all of the details of this 5 Series. And until we see you in the next review, good night.